Kramer's rule for 3 linear equation. Example number 4. 3 divided by a minus 4 by b minus 2 by c is equal to. આપણે મેથડ 1 માં જોયું હતું કે જ્યારે ડિવાઇડ આવે ત્યારે આપણે અઝ્યુમ કરવું પડે. સો લેટ્સ અઝ્યુમ ધેટ 1 upon a is equal to x, 1 upon b is equal to y, 1 upon c is equal to z. So 3x minus 4y minus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y minus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. So x divided by x divided by minus 4 to 5 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus y divided by 3 1 2 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 z divided by 3 1 2 minus 4 2 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by 3 1 2 minus 4 2 5 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 2. Now first x divided by minus 4 to 5 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 x divided by plus minus plus plus minus 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 4 3 1s are minus 3 2 2s are 4 minus minus plus વચ્ચે minus ની sign minus 4 minus minus plus 2 3 2s are minus 6 5 2s are minus 10 વચ્ચે minus ની sign plus 10 minus 1 2 2s are minus 4 5 1s are minus 5. So x upon minus 2 minus 3 minus 7 multiplied by minus 4 minus minus plus 28 minus 6 plus 10 plus 4 multiplied by 2 8 plus 8 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 minus minus plus 9. So 28 plus 8 plus 9 45 x divided by 45 3 7 multiplied by 4 28 4 multiplied by 2 એટલે 8 minus 4 minus 5 એટલે minus 9 multiplied by 1. Okay, now minus y divided by 3 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus y upon plus minus plus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 4 વચ્ચે પાછી માઇનસ ની સાઇન minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus minus plus 4 minus 1 minus 2, 2 ones are minus 2, minus y upon minus 7 multiplied by 3 minus 21, minus 1, sorry, plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2, 2 2s are 1, that is minus 2, 2 1s are 1, that is minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, minus minus plus 4, minus y upon 21 plus 5 minus 2, 21 plus 2 minus 5, 18, y divided by 18. Okay, next z divided by 312 minus 425 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus minus plus z divided by 3 minus 6 5 2s are 10 minus 10 minus minus plus 10 plus 4 3 1s are minus 3 2 2s are minus 4 minus minus plus 4 minus 1 5 1s are 5 minus 4 z divided by plus 10 minus 6 4 3s are 12 plus 4 minus 1 that is 1 1 4s are 4 plus 5 minus 4 that is 1 1 1s are minus 1 z divided by 12 plus 4 minus 1 15 z divided by 15. Next minus 1 divided by 312 minus 4 to 5 minus 4 to 5 minus 2 1 minus 2 plus minus plus minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 5 minus 4 minus 1 upon minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 9 3s are 27 minus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 multiplied by 4 minus 16 5 minus 4 that is 1 1 multiplied by minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 upon 27 plus 16 plus 2 minus 45 3 3 1s are minus 3 minus 4 minus plus 4 થાય એટલે 1 3s are 3 થાય 3 1s are minus 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 okay minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 minus 21 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus minus plus 4 that is 1 1 multiplied by minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus minus plus 4 so 21 plus 2 minus 4 that is 19 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus minus plus 4 વચ્ચે માઇનસની સાઇન સો minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus minus plus 4 minus 1 minus 2 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 3 plus 4 that is 7 7 multiplied by 3 minus 21 plus 4 minus 3 that is 1 1 multiplied by minus 2 that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 that is plus 4 21 plus 2 minus 4 that is 19 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 minus 2 1 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 okay 49 45 divided by 19 next z upon this is 15 next x divided by 45 minus 1 divided by minus 45 x is equal to 45 divided by 45 x is equal to 1 y divided minus y divided by 15 minus 1 upon minus 45 y is equal to 15 divided by 45 y is equal to minus y is equal to 1 by 3 so y is equal to minus 1 by 3 z divided by 45 z divided by 15 sorry minus 1 divided by minus 45 z 15 divided by 45 z is equal to 1 divided by 3 this is minus 1 divided by 3 now we have to find out a b c so a is equal to 1 upon x so a is equal to 1 by 1 a is equal to 1 y is equal b is equal to 1 by y so b is equal to y minus 1 by 3 1 upon minus 1 by 3 so b is equal to minus 3 c is equal to 1 by z c is equal to 1 upon 1 by 3 c is equal to 3 a is equal to 1 b is equal to minus 3 c is equal to 3 this is your answer. Here our method 2 is completed. In next session we will start our next method. Thank you.